went ahead and got after it. I grabbed my my grinder with a cutoff wheel on it, and I cut off that cross member there. Turned out pretty good. Get this side over here done as well. What I am going to end up doing is we're just going to weld a new cross member in here. We'll bend some 14 gauge or 16 gauge or whatever we can get our hands on, and we'll just create a new member across there, and then we'll weld that in there. Grind it all down, sand it, fill it in so that it'll look nice all the way along the bottom, and then we won't have to do as much work covering it up. Was able to get all of this with my shears kind of cut off all the way to the back there, along that back brace. Got some cleanup to do on these cuts, and then I got some other work I got to do up front here. Gonna end up cutting this tin out here back to where it ends up being just about a ½ inch on the other side of this bracket for holding the top down, and we'll figure out a way to reinforce that, make it a little more rigid across the top there. This is not as much bearing on it, you know. We got a cross member underneath it here, so that kind of cleans up pretty nice. But see what we got. And then over here I got some channel that I bent, and we're going to put some of this on all the way along this edge, just kind of clean this edge up, put a nice finished edge on it, and then we'll have some trim that'll go from here up here, and we'll upholster that, pat it up, and make it look nice.